think on that controversial statement of yours, which became very famous last week?
See, I'll tell you a simple thing. That statement which I have made, if you look at the whole statement, you will come to know what I was talking about. I never said I'm giving ST status to anybody.
You will try it.
No, they are already SC. How can we give ST? They are SC. How can you give ST?
They are not SC.
They are SC. They are SC community.
It's a tribe.
No, they are SC in Karnataka.
In that state.
Yeah. They are already over here. I have spoken in the assembly that we need to bring a legislation to stop sale of agricultural and orchard land to non-Goans. 25 years domicile certificate should be there. You have to produce it in the sub-register and do a sale deed. The minute you pass this legislation, everything will fall in place.
Why didn't the government listen to all these land use issues which you've been raising, my friend?
No, I have...
For 6 years, the government has not been listening to you.
See, 2012, I am on record till that every assembly I am bringing this topic.
But the government is not doing anything. No?
No, see, when I will be in the government, I will do it. So you all bring me in the government, I will do it. No, this is required. No, I'll tell you, Goa being a small state, agricultural land and orchard land cannot be sold to non-Goans. They can only buy Sanad land as an Indian. They can buy Sanad land, they can buy flats and bungalows. Because as an Indian, I can go to Mumbai tomorrow and buy. But agricultural land and orchard land cannot be sold to non-Goans. That legislation can be passed in the assembly and it has to be a law. You should have 25 years domicile certificate, residence certificate issued by the deputy collector to purchase agricultural or this orchard land in Goa. If you pass this problem of yours is solved. Why are we not ready to accept that what you are saying, this non-Goans are already existing in Goa? Why are we not ready to accept it? Every politician, when you talk about this, they'll keep quiet because they think it is their vote bank. I have not created any vote bank here. Why I am being shown in the red? I have not created. It is happening from the person has already died and gone. Shrikant Malik's time. Then 20-point program under Suresh Parulekar. Then after that Agnel Fernandes, 2 times MLA, Thomasin Cardoz, and now I am there. So this is happening in all the constituencies. At least now bring a legislation. I am for it. I am a Goan. Don't paint me red. When we talk the fact, some people don't like it.
I think Goa is the only state where agricultural land can be bought so easily, isn't it?
You tell me a 10,000 square meter land is subdivided into 100 plots. What will come up? You ban the sale of agricultural land and orchard land to non-Goans. Only Goans can buy. Goans means who has completed 25 years in Goa. There won't be political will for this. If you say bring it in the next assembly, I'll challenge you on this.
BJP government doesn't have political will to do this.
No, don't make controversial statements. I'm telling you, there won't be political will for this statement of mine. But we have to do it. If we are talking about love for Goa and Goans, let us do it now.
Special status.
Special status Dyukut mein hona, that is why they have. Yeah, without special, this is what we can do in our assembly. We don't want center to do this.
Have you spoken to your party regarding this?
Yes, about the mining thing, no?
Not mining. This.
I am talking this on daily basis. This has to be done. There has to be a political will, and I am sure that within the next 2 or 3 years, this will happen. 3 or 4 years, this will happen. Yeah, I'm sure.
How much land will remain?
No, we have to bring it in the next assembly. But are the political parties ready to do this?
Why are they not ready? In your
See, I was the target last week. But why we are not doing it? For the sake of Goa. Koranu?
Also your own party.
No. I am talking about general. Why blame only one party? Ban the sale of agricultural land and orchard. This problem is solved. Nobody will come in Goa to stay. If you tell somebody, you come to Goa, I will give you a small receipt and you invest 5 lakhs to buy a land or 10 lakhs to buy. Will you invest? You will say, give me a sale deed. Sale deed is not happening. So why he should buy a house here?
I'm sure the Goitabad guys will agree, no, Michael?
See, we all have to agree. We are all Goans and we love Goa. आता कितें येयल्या पळय ते तांकां धांवडूंक जायना तुवें. येयल्या पळय ते ऑलरेडी they are born here, they already have their education over here, completed education. Huh?
Probably domicile also.
Yes, you can't say. But don't allow more people to come. No? If you want to be outnumbered, then you keep the whole thing open. You will be outnumbered. And if you allow all these paddy fields and orchards to be built by this, how you can stop? To evict somebody from government land, it takes 15 years. Like Baina, that Azun Basun, the matter is in High Court. To evict somebody from your own land who has constructed 10 years back. So this is the difficulties. If you have first only laws in place, I don't think.
Michael, are you expected to go to the US to meet the chief of state?
Yes.
When is it?
I don't know. We'll go. I will go.
And are you in touch with his family? Because there's been no information coming to us last 48 hours.
No, I am not touched right now with his family, but I have taken.
Some update can give us.
Huh?
Some update can give us.
No, I cannot give you update because I also don't know what is when he landed and all everything.
You don't even know if he's admitted or not admitted.
He is in the hospital.
He's in the hospital.
Yeah. And I think he will, as per his health, he will phone the center on this issue which will be coming up from 15th. See, Goans know that there is government in place. They will not say anything because they know that the government will do something. State government and the center. If we don't do anything, then they will wake up. So let us not test anybody's patience. Let us help them. This is what I am saying.
The delegation which went recently to Delhi was improper.
100% improper. There is no resolution, there is no support of a cabinet decision. There is no road map. Everybody has to sit together, discuss, talk, and come out what we are going to do.
Let's say that since you're raising this issue, don't you think that Goa at this point of a time when we're facing such a huge crisis needs a person who can take decisions in Goa rather than someone who's
Of course,
shouldn't someone
he is right now in US. Let him come back.
before the 15th?
No. Not
This
for
particular
that.
decision.
This particular decision requires collective coalition decision and backing from the center. Whoever the BJP party will send, these are two people who are required here in Goa. One is Mines Minister, one is Nitinji Gadkari. I expect both of them to come to Goa for our rescue. And they need to give us a concrete proposal, the road map, where our Goans will not remain unemployed more than a month.
A month is the deadline.
No, I am just saying that you cannot, supposing tomorrow if I tell you, you stop working over here and you have no other work, what you will do?
Get frustrated.
So let us not push the Goans for that. Cannot be, no? That's the only earning. Somebody makes 100 portions of rice, fish curry rice for those truck drivers. That is his only earning. If the truck driver is not on the road, how he is going to sell the fish curry rice? The person who is supplying him vegetable. These are all allied activities. It is all interrelated. It's not only the hotel which is functioning as a tourism industry or a shack or a restaurant. The whole chain is connected to that. Everybody will get unemployed. So we have to understand that, and it is a serious matter, and our people have to take it very seriously. That is, the MLAs, the ministers, the coalition, the party presidents of every political party have to take it seriously.
So one more addition, Congress has done, you have taken the Congress very well and given to some Laman.
Baba, I do not have money to buy land and give it to somebody. It's an allegation. Tell them to bring the sale deed and give it to me. How I have showed you black and white of my friend. He's a dear friend. So like that you bring the sale deed.